This is the first bloom of the Brassolaelia orchid yellowbird. It's actually been in bloom probably about a week and a half, and here it is. And it has a spotted lip and excuse me. And the foliage has the narrow leaves. So it's related to it's in the Cattleya alliance. So and these are grow under 4 T8 bulbs. And it has a scent. Usually I could detect the scent at nighttime or in the afternoons. It's just a perfume. I can't recall what it smells like, but I know it's not citrus. And that's it. So this is one that I haven't killed yet. And it's doing okay. And this is the Brassolaelia yellowbird. Close up the blossoms.